Hi James, how are you? So today we do maths work. In maths work we learn how to count number 1 to 5. So let's start with me. See this now. One number. Number 1. One elephant. Now two number. 2. These are two butterflies. 1, 2. Now 1, 2, 3 numbers. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. See this. 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 fish. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 flowers. Now sing with me number 1 song. Let's start. I have one fish. I have one fish. I have one car. I have one car. I have one Mickey. I have one Mickey. I have one phone. I have one phone. I have one pumpkin. I have one pumpkin. Now complete our song. Now I will teach you how to write number 1. So let's start with me. Now I am writing number 1 in this book. Open your book, page number 2. So we need one standing line and make a number 1. Now your finger move like this, up to down, and make a one number, up to down. Move your finger like this, up to down. Write this. 1 up to down, number 1, up to down, number 1, up to down, 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 and make number 1. Up to down, and you will touch bottom line. Up to down, up to down. Now you will complete this page at your home. So we learn how to write number 1. Keep practicing at your home. Bye bye.